Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of euro, dollar, euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. If you have watched my previous videos, then you were ready for this drop because we have been talking about this triangle formation and we were just ready. We were getting ready for a breakout. Okay, and we could see that there was a sudden fall on the chart of DXY. So there is some correction going on. Right now, DXY US dollar currency index is standing at 111. So if the correction continues, the next important support for DXY will be 110 level. Okay, this will be very important level. I think DXY will try to take support around 110.1520 level, because if DXY breaks this level and starts going down, then there will be a change of structure on the US dollar currency index. And if we look at the economy calendar also, then today we do not have any big news that will bring craziness to the market. So in case something happens, that will be just for technical reasons only. And we have a good straight bands coming up. So in case there is a sudden volatility in the market, I think the volatility should last for a single candle only. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. The move of DXY will be very important, because I think the downside may continue as well. Let's wait and watch. The time will speak. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro USD. This is the chart of euro USD, and this is the big candle formed by euro dollar yesterday. Okay, right now the pair is standing at 0.9954. This is the current market price here. So my dear friends, see, as you can see that I have drawn a line here, a zone here, a level here. So if in comparison to both the levels, okay, right now the current market price, CMP current market price, is in the middle. So obviously you can easily understand that the risk to reward ratio will not be in our favor. If I take you to the 1 hour chart also, then you can see the same story only. So there's no good trading opportunity in this in the middle of the chart right now. So the next important level will be around 0.9980 to 1.0000. This will be the next important resistance for the market. So if market goes up, okay, if euro USD starts going up from here, okay, then observe the market around this level. If there is not much craziness, not much volatility on the chart of DXY, then definitely euro USD will be reversing from this level. You'll see some profit booking on the chart of euro USD around this level. If you see market forming a shooting star pattern, bearish pin bar, bearish engulfing pattern, you can go for it. But keep in mind the DXY, okay, there should not be any strong volatility or strong selling on the chart of DXY. Okay, if there is a sudden fall in the DXY, then definitely market will break, euro USD will break, and it will be start going higher. Because after all, you must understand one thing very well, that no level is permanent in the market. Okay, so as a result, as a trader, it's your duty to observe the market at the critical levels and then take the decision. As a trader, you should not trade blind. This is the main difference between a trader and a gambler. Okay, and as I always say, protect your hard-earned money. Okay, so if market goes up, observe the market around this level. If you see market reversing, then only take a sell position. And on the other hand, if market comes down, then observe the market around 0.9925 to 0.9920 level. You can observe the market around this level. To be honest, this is not a strong support or anything like that. Okay, previously this was just a resistance for the market, so we can hope that previous resistance will now act as support. Okay, see, right now in this chart of euro dollar, okay, we do not have any proper support. We do not have any proper support. We have the next support is around 0.9900, which is quite far away. Okay, so if market comes down, if you see that euro USD is coming down, observe the market around 0.9925, 0.9920 level. If you see market trying to take support and market is bouncing, you can go for a buy position, because you can expect that previous resistance is right now acting as support. Similarly, around 0.9900 also, okay, which was previously kind of a resistance, you can expect the market to act as support right now. Okay, so we do not have any strong immediate support, but you can expect that previous resistances will now act as support around 0.9925, 0.9920, or 0.9900. See, apart from these levels, we do not have any strong factors that will give us the confirmation that this is strong support. So as a result, please follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and my dear friends, from day after tomorrow onwards, my workshop will start, world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you like the analysis that I do, okay, if you like my work, and you can also sign up, because this is something that you will not find anywhere else in the whole world, because this is the world's most affordable workshop, where after the workshop you will also find, you'll get support for 1 month. Okay, 1 month, more than 1 month actually. Okay, so for to know more, okay, check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.